In this video, we will be learning how we can disable and enable the Windows Defender or the default antivirus on a Windows system. So we will just be following a few steps to do that. So the first thing is to open the settings, and we can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon and select the settings option. Now, once you have already opened the settings, all you need to do is just to go to the uh, privacy and security option here in the left pane, almost at the bottom part. So please click on that. And then here, you need to proceed with the virus and threat protection. So please click on this Windows security, and then you will be getting the virus and threat protection option. Now here, all you need to do is just to click on this one, and then you will be getting this kind of window. So if you want to disable the Windows security, all you need to do is just to disable here or disable everything in here. So we need to turn off the toggle switch for real-time, uh, this one, virus and threat protection settings. We need to manage settings, and then we need to toggle off the switch for this real-time protection, and it will automatically turn off the dev drive protection. We will do the same thing with this cloud delivered protection and automatic sample submission, as well as tamper protection. So doing this will effectively disable the antivirus protection on your system, and keep in mind that turning off real-time protection can expose your system to potential threats. So if you want to re-enable it again, because you will be you're done doing the or you're done downloading and installing the third-party application that you want to add in your device, and you want to re-enable the Windows Defender antivirus, so you need to go back to the same window, and you need to turn the real-time protection toggle back on to re-enable the antivirus. So we need to, on this options here, everything that we have just turned off, and after doing that, we will now be seeing that we have now re-enable again the virus and threat protection or the Windows security in our device. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.